Hi, I'm Ellen from York, Pennsylvania, and what's the best way I found to get relief from my low back pain? I came in here because I had low back pain from a work injury like 3 years prior, so I've been dealing with it for a while, and I lifted something the wrong way and it went awful. I had some chiropractic treatments back in my hometown and they helped, and I don't know, I just kind of thought I'd just have to deal with the pain. I didn't think that there was much else that could be done about it. And then I came in here and got treatments, and it's made a world of difference. I can do my job a lot better. I can spend time with my family better because there are a lot of kids in my family, and it was hard to run around and play and be active with little kids when your back is sore. It's like, I remember having to tell my little cousin, like, I'm sorry, I can't play soccer with you today. It hurts too much. And I don't like seeing kids disappointed. So that's been a world of difference. I really feel like I can do what I want and not have to think about, oh, is this going to hurt my back? I think a lot of times we have the mentality that, oh, I'll just take a pill for it and deal with it, like I'll be fine. But that doesn't mean that it's going to fix itself. I think the main difference is where I went before, it was just adjustments. So actually having the therapies of having the electric stim on my back and even ultrasound on my neck later, I think it made a world of difference to actually penetrate the muscles in a deeper way than just moving things around. I think I had like 85% improvement, something like that, which that's fantastic. That's more than I ever thought that I would have had, and it's made such a world of difference. Like, I can actually, sleep on my right side and not have to wake up just to move. I'm so thrilled with what's happened. I think I'll be able to, like I said, just do what I want without having to think about my back pain. Like, I'll be able to plan for things in the future because I have a lot of things coming up in the future. I'll be able to do them and participate fully and not have to think about, being in pain or moving the wrong way or anything like that. I would say that chiropractic isn't as scary and weird as it might sound, and it's not just about treating backs. Like when Dr. Gary did his examination, he found that I actually didn't have full range of motion with my neck, and he ended up treating that, and I can obviously clearly move my neck. And it's more than just even adjustments, like getting the therapies and stuff. That's really helpful, and I think that it's a lot less invasive than having surgery or something like that, and it's just very, very almost calming and relaxing, I think. Like, I've never been nervous because of an adjustment. I've never been in pain because of an adjustment. It just genuinely helps your body to work the best that it can. I mean, our staff is fabulous. No, the staff is really warm and welcoming. They've made me feel so loved and appreciated here, and I cannot think of a better place to work.